Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable or disable the lock of Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet, and now after opening Bitget Wallet, you'll first have to open the application by entering the pin code or biometric. Now if you want to remove this feature or disable it, you just simply have to go into this four circled icon into the top left corner, and after going into there, choose this advanced setting option. Now into that, you will get this unlock required option at very top. Now you just simply have to disable this toggle for unlock required, and your unlock requirement will be disabled, and you don't have to unlock your application each time you open it. This way you can very easily turn off the passcode or app lock for your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.